Hello there, Tatiana is here, and I have a New Year's gift for you. I'm holding a special workshop called Kickstart Your 2021 for an abundance in health, wealth, time, and love. It is a brand new workshop that is going to help you get into alignment with the flow of more health, wealth, and love in time. Here is just some of what you will discover. The golden rule to optimize your energy field for abundance. How to live in a consistent inner guidance that helps you fulfill your dreams. How to release the blocks and barriers that are maybe sabotaging your success. 3 best strategies that ignite your inspiration and unblock the flow of money. 7 strategies that improve your energy fast and get you in a flow state that you are able to receive in abundance. A little known technique that will relieve your stress in less than 10 minutes. And we're also going to have a lot of fun. Fun. I love fun. This workshop will help you transition from struggle into easy flowing state. It will also get you in a more creative mode that will change your life and the life of your beloved ones. I will not be selling anything, so please register in advance and step in 2021 with more abundance and thrive no matter what's happening around you. Look for link above or below depending where you're looking at, and I hope to see you soon.